welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I went with a very natural look. I did wing liner for the first time in a long time. I know I only have like one other video on my channel with wing liner. I don't normally do it because I feel like I'll mess up, and I went out of my comfort zone today and chose a lip that I normally wouldn't like go for. I'm really proud of myself for doing that because I normally just stick to like the browns or the pinks or the reds. So this lip color is very interesting. I had one lip pencil and a lipstick that made this combination, and I think I'm in love with it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So off camera, I moisturized my face with this Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion. You guys have seen this so many times because I've seen me apply it so many times, as well as prime my skin. And I primed with this Cover FX mattifying primer with anti-acne treatment. Looks like this. And then I started on my eyes, so I primed my eyes with, you guys know, the Urban Decay primer potion. It looks like that. This is the original, as well as set the primer in place with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, the brown shade. This is the caramel toffee one. I know there's two of these, if I'm not mistaken. There's two, and yeah, I used this. So we're gonna jump right into everything else. For this look, I don't want to do anything over the top. I just want to keep it nice and simple. I know like my last couple of looks, they're just a lot of glitter, everything because of the holidays. So I just rather keep this nice and simple. So I'm gonna just go into my NYX Cheek Contour Duo palette and take the contour shade and just start defining my crease. This is gonna be our transition shade. The transition shade isn't supposed to be anything like too out there, so just a little something that like is kind of darker than your skin tone will suffice. Since I use this already as a contour, I just like started inside the crease with it and just blend it out. Next, I'm gonna go into this dirty palette. It's called Meet Matrimony. Like, I don't know, they were very clever when naming this. And I'm just gonna take Matte Kumar, which is this reddish color, and put it all over my crease. But like, we want to be very light with it. We don't want anything too dramatic. To deepen like the outer corner a bit, I'm gonna go into this shade Matte Mazowski. It looks like that. It's like a purpley shade, and I'm just gonna like do like the outer part of my eye. And then just blend it out with Matte Kumar once again. So like, make sure when you're blending it, like you're really blending it all through. You don't want like a whole blob of purple or a whole blob of red. Just keep blending. Next, I'm gonna do something that I normally don't do, and that's put on wing liner. I don't like doing wing liner anymore. I used to love it, but I feel like I always mess it up, and that'll mess up the entire look. So I normally don't do it. I try to stay away from it, but today I'm being a little bold. So yeah, we're gonna try this out and we'll see how it goes. By the way, the eyeliner that I'm using is Trooper by Kat Von D. It's a tattoo liner. That wasn't so bad. Oh my god, I thought it would have been worse. Alright, now let's get the other side to match. Not bad. Oh my god. I'm proud of myself. I think it's because I held my breath. Like they do look like they're the same. Proud of myself, proud of myself. Okay, next I'm gonna go into mascara. Now I'm not gonna put a lot on because I do have lash extensions and I'm getting sick and tired of them. I'm gonna have to go out on Saturday and these things look terrible. I just want them off already, but I don't like the solution that the salon that I go to give me makes my eyes burn, so I try to avoid that also. I don't know why I did this to myself. Like, I put on lash extensions and I don't want them anymore. I think like I'll just like suffer through like falsies because I love dramatic lashes. I mean, I already have like long lashes, but I just need that extra drama because I'm that extra. That's why I did this for the holidays, but now I'm just sick and tired of it. They're falling out and they just look terrible. So I'm just gonna pretend that my lashes look normal, beautiful, just out there, and just coat it with some mascara. So I'm gonna go into the Benefit Roller Lash and try to make these things look a little bit more presentable. And honestly, I feel like my eyelashes have fallen off already, which is not good. Should have just worn lashes like falsies. Just, I don't care if I have to like glue and put it on and a couple hours later glue and put it on. It's just not worth losing my lashes. I told you I'm gonna go very simple today, so next I'm gonna go in with the foundation. You guys know this. I've been using this foundation all 2018 since it came out. I got it. Well, no, when it came out my shade was out of stock and I waited until it came back into stock to get it. And it's just this Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, the Pro Filter one, and it is in this shade 400. A lot of people are curious as to like what my shade is, and my shade is 400. So I just usually pump 3 pumps at the back of my hand and then just blend it out with my sculpting brush. Yeah, my sculpting brush. For those of you who have dark under eye circles, let me give you a little tip for you to save a little bit more money. So I know most of you have 2 concealers, one to hide the circles and another one to brighten. You can just like eliminate this one. You can just bring your foundation up to your under eyes so it can already start concealing your dark circles, and then just put this highlighting shade over top and you won't have that gray effect. You'll just have like nice highlighted under eyes. So I know this concealer is like $14 and this one's probably like $10. You can just save $14 and just get this one, and then just bring your foundation a little bit more up than you normally would and you'll be good to go. Next I'm gonna go into my Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and it's in the shade Caramel, and I'm just gonna highlight the high points. I'm not gonna do a lot, like too dramatic or anything. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit. I know you guys have seen me do this so many times, but this is exactly what works for me, and this is how I do my makeup on a daily. So yeah, just a little bit, not a lot. Now I'm gonna just blend it out with the sponge. So before baking, I'm just gonna go on real quick with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC46 and just set my entire face. You gotta do this quickly so your eyes don't start creasing. Yeah, I'm just gonna go into my RCMA powder and just start baking my face. yeah, now we have that going and you look like a white-faced monster. We're just gonna start contouring. I'm not gonna do like too sharp of a contour today because remember, I still want to keep it nice and simple. So just a small teeny tiny one will do. After that, I'm just going to go back into Wet n Wild by the Glow contouring palette and just sharpen up my contour just a tiny bit. I also dusted off all the powder that was on my face. Next, I'm going to go into this Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And I'm gonna just go into the shade Bronze, which is right here, and just lightly, and I mean lightly, I know you guys love highlight, just go in and highlight the face. Nice simple glow, nothing too over the top. See, like that's enough, like that's enough. Now that our face is nice and dewy, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of lip balm, start prepping my lips for lipstick. And while that is like sinking into the skin, I'm just gonna take the Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray. This is the bridal version, and I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. Next, I'm gonna go into this MAC lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. This is one of my favorite lip liners of all time. I don't normally use it on like my channel, but like off my channel, oh my god, this is a love. This is like a must for every brown girl, every dark skin girl. Like if you guys have a really light nude lipstick, I'll show you guys. I have one here with me here today. You guys need this in your life. It'll just make the nude a little bit darker so it can look like a nude for our skin complexion. So I'm just gonna start lining my lips and filling it in. This look is good right here if you just want to keep it right here, but I just want to add a little bit of nude. This is what I'll be using today. It's the MAC Retro Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the shade Cafe Au Chic. It looks like this. I love this applicator. I've never used this before. This is like a new product that I'll be using today, and let's see. So I didn't use it all over my lips. I just used it like in the center and just like spread it out. So I used a very tiny bit, and I ended up with a very gray lip. I thought it would have been more browny, but I mean it's like a gray brown, but like more gray than brown, if you guys know what I mean. But I like this lip color. It's not a lip color that I normally go for or like normally use. You guys have seen like reds, pinks on my channel. I never usually use this lip color, so I like branching out into makeup, and yeah. So if you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this, then please comment down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.